What it do, YouTube? I'm back. I'm busy, bigot back. I'm so geeked, y'all. Cause my boots came in today, so I'm super excited to, open them up. My Timbs. I try to get a pair of Timbs like every couple years, so I got these ones today. Babe ain't here. I was gonna wait for her to come back, but she had to handle some stuff, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do it. So, see, I'm gonna face the camera to the, I think, here, let me see how I can do this. Let me see how I can do this.
Are you attracted to him? No.
I got the freaking username right here too, so.
Nothing. Oh, so in other words, there was a point you were thinking about her. I know he would have sex with anything he lays his hands on. And I was trying to show her that. Be sure not to shake it.
Alright, I'm gonna try to keep it right there so y'all can see. Alright. Some $200 boots, son. $200 boots.
I'm pretty sure she won't want anything to do with me.
Oh, this is if I gotta return it.
Yeah. And her name is Jade? Yes. Oh, she knows now. She's watching backstage.
I'm gonna cover up my address and all of that. I don't want y'all to see my address. You know what I'm saying? $200 boots, bro. Yo, I'm geeked though. And Babe was like, you can't get these boots unless you get this, and you gotta get double sole and all that. Usually I get the ones that's like tennis shoes. So this is my first time getting this particular kind, like the high top boots. I hope y'all can see good. I had already put them on my Instagram. Oh, she gonna be mad too, cause these is not even double sole, I don't think. She is gonna be heated. She gonna be heated. Hold on, y'all. Let me change the camera back around so y'all can see. I got the light on, so it's like, yeah. Alright, now y'all can see close up. Yeah, I got big foot. Don't judge me either. Yo, but they like a material, but it's leather too, but it's like a material. I don't know if y'all can see it closer. Y'all see that? It's like a material. Helcor, I guess that's called. Now, I thought it was double sole because it's two, like, but I don't think that is. I don't think it is, so Babe might make me send them back, y'all. She might make me send them back. Because she said when it's double sole, you ain't supposed to be able to bend the toe part at all. And these bend a little bit. They bend a little. I don't know if that's how it is. You can't bend the rubber part, but the material that it is, because the material is like soft material, so I don't know. Y'all, we gonna see. Sorry, it's cold in my eyes. I told y'all yesterday my allergies acting crazy. It's a little better today because my mom got me together. She got me some Mucinex and all of this. Make sure I'm cool. But yeah, so I'm gonna put one of these on and see how I feel. It better be comfortable, man. It's supposed to have like this insole thing on the inside. It don't really feel like it. And if everybody who know me know that I really can't wear boots. That's why I don't even know why I waste my time or money. Because one of my arches and one of my feet and my foot is messed up. So when I wear boots, it's like very hurtful. But of course, you know, when you want to stay fly, stay, you know, you gotta. When my sister used to always tell me, no pain, no gain. My Instagram going. Alright, y'all, this video ain't gonna be too long, but. And I just bought me some. I bought a couple of shirts just to go with these boots today. Alright, that's a big boot, ain't it? What size is it? It don't show y'all the size at the bottom. It's 11.5 though. Let's see, y'all. Oh, I could have did an 11 for real. I really could have did an 11. I really could have did an 11. I was thinking like it's gonna be. Somebody said that too. Like if your shoe size is that, then get a size smaller, cause you don't want to have too much space. But I bought some thick socks right now. I got on little footy socks, so I just bought some thick socks. Let me see. Let me see if y'all can see these on my foot. They look crazy cause they big or what? Oh snap! Oh, I'm dropping the thing. Alright, y'all. Let me see. Let me scoot the tripod back so y'all can see it. Y'all see? Well, I got my jeans on, but that looks so big on camera, y'all. It's really not that big. It's really not that big, though. But as y'all can see, I got on like these thin little ankle socks, so when I put on my real socks, it's gonna fit way better. I just bought some Reebok, some thick, high top Reebok socks. But yeah, there they go. I just figured this would be a fun little. I love Timberland, like how they, even though they said a lot of racist stuff about the Timberland and what the tree stand for and all of that, I don't know for it to be true or not, but you know what I'm saying? I love how they fit. I just love Timberland. Timberland. This ain't no sponsored video or nothing like that, y'all. That's just me just doing something different since I was bored and I figured, well, I can do a video since I'm trying to do an upload every day. So there y'all go. That's all I got for y'all today. The helcor Timbs. That's what it is. Y'all see the material. You know what I'm saying? Unboxed them. $189 for some shoes. It's worth it. Now I just gotta wait for Babe Uggs to come in. And then that's it. This is my Christmas gift to myself, y'all. Truthful. It's my Christmas gift to myself. I already bought everybody else something for Christmas. So that's my Christmas gift to myself. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get, oh shoot, I probably should have said that. Well, yeah, but I don't know if Bae Uggs is gonna come before Christmas or not, so either way I still got her something else. But that was gonna be her Christmas gift. Hopefully it come in before then. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it. I gave y'all almost 10 minutes, you dig? So if y'all ain't never watched us before, make sure y'all like, subscribe, share the video. We just starting off, but I'm telling y'all start off with us now. Y'all gonna go all the way to the top with us. We gonna make sure to try to keep on coming back, do more challenges, do more things together. We actually got one coming up with the try treats. We gonna do that probably Friday. It's in the mail. They just told me it's shipped. So yeah, we love y'all. Thanks for watching. Peace, blessings. Everybody stay safe. Happy holidays. Even though I'm sure I'm gonna see y'all again between then. Peace, 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 peace.